Oh, hello. How are you?
You know I die for your attacking. Body too fine, make me wanna sing. Yeah, come give me love, we gon' make me mad. Come give me love, we gon' make me mad. You know I die for your attacking.
You deserve better, okay? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite sister, Essy Estaa. And if you would like to see how I achieved this look, my new updated foundation routine, summer proof, then keep watching. So I'm gonna take my Sacha Buttercups setting powder, and to soak up all the oils, I'm gonna apply that all over my face using my powder brush. And then the next thing I'm gonna do after that is I'm gonna take my Juvias Warrior 2 palette, and I'm gonna use the color Kufuru all over my eyelids, just to give a little color, nothing too crazy, because at the end of the day this is a soft glam. But if you want to do other colors, you can do that. And yeah, so I'm just gonna apply that all over my other eyes. And yeah, so now I'm going to take my, what's that thing called, Too Faced concealer in the color Butterscotch, and I'm gonna apply on my lid. So looking back at this, like, I really wasn't doing anything because you couldn't really tell after I blended it out. But I guess we move or whatever, so I just use my hand to blend it out. Nothing crazy, because this is a very simple look, and that's on period. So I'm going back into my Juvias palette in the color Zama. Add a little color into it, but guys, you won't guess what I did, but just stay tuned, you'll see. So now I'm gonna take my what's it called, Maybelline Fit Me in the color 368 Deep Golden, and I'm just gonna apply a little bit over my face with the Juvias Place. I said Juvias Place. Mario Badescu, just to add some moisture into my face, a little natural. And I'll use my beauty blender to blend that out, because I just feel like it gives more of a nice flawless look than using a brush. But then again, I'll be using a brush sometimes. So y'all see what I'm talking about? Like, I just use a beauty blender and just completely blend it all over my eyeshadow. So like, sis, what happened? So now I'm gonna go in with my same Too Faced Butterscotch concealer, and I'm gonna apply that all over my under eyes for highlight, because we have to highlight. I feel like highlight helps it helps cover your dark circles under your eyes, your bags, and all of that stuff. And I also highlight in between my nose to give a little contour or whatever, trying to get our nose snatched without the surgery. You get what I'm saying? So I'm using the black Opal foundation stick in the shade Ebony Brown, even though I really wanted to use Black Walnut, but made a mistake and I used a darker shade. But at the end of the day, like, it still looked good, and that's on that. So I'm just using a nice angled contour brush to just press in the foundation. And now what you see me doing here is I'm using the Instapop Real Technique cheek brush to just tap in the very ends of my concealer. And then shortly after, I will use a beauty blender to do the inner portions of my highlight, because it's more softer to the face, and it gets into those creases properly that the brush can't really do. Please make sure that you blend, honey. Like, there's no other, method to this. Just keep blending until you can't see it no more, until it looks like it's part of your skin. So now I'm using my Sacha Buttercups to bake. I didn't bake for too long. I'm not a big fan of baking for too long, but you gotta do what you gotta do. So I went back into that same brown Kufuru color in the Juvias Warrior 2 palette, just to contour my nose a little bit more using the powder on top of the foundation. And then I'm going to use my powder brush to dust that all off, because honey, we're not trying to be looking ghostly in them pictures, okay? And what you see me doing here is I took, you know, Fenty Beauty, what's that thing called? Bronzer and Mocha Mami, and I use that to reset and bronze all the contoured areas of my face. You don't really have to do that, but you know, I just like, you know, a 2-in-1 bronze and contour at the same time. So now I'm using a Beauty Supply eyeliner and just eyelining my waterline. And then now I'm using the Colourpop Pitch pencil, and yeah, I broke it. And right now I'm just applying lip gloss. I'm using the NYX in the color Strawberry Parfait and MAC Fashion Scoop. And then to conclude, I will be using the Badescu facial spray all over my face. And you gotta make sure you tap it in after so that it really seeks into your skin and it looks flawless. Like, this makeup gotta last, so you gotta do what you gotta do. So I forgot to apply blush. I don't know why. I guess I was talking so I was distracted, but you know, I applied blush at the end, and this is my look. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. You know, it was nice and calm, simple, not doing too much. Like, baby, who you know? Tell me, let me know, okay? So I hope you guys like this video, even though I'm gonna say this again in a few seconds, but you know, I hope you guys enjoyed it. And let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Thank you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this look, and please don't forget to like, comment, and the big S, subscribe. Bye.
Baby, welcome to the party.
Baby, welcome to the party. I went to the party.